Question 3. The difference between molar mass and relative molecular mass is that relative molecular mass A is calculated for mass of isotope, while molar mass is determined by spectrometry. B is measured in mole per dm cubed, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. C has no units, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. D measures the mass of an atom, while molar mass measures the mass of molecules and compounds. The correct answer is C. Relative molecular mass has no units, while molar mass is measured in grams per mole. Explanation. Here is the key difference, okay? Molar mass is a physical quantity with units, and the unit is grams per mole. Relative molecular mass is just a comparison. It's just a number. It doesn't have any units attached to it. So one thing to remember is that relative means no unit. Molar has a unit, which is grams per mole.